Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set Super Wallpaper in Samsung A16. If you are using Samsung A16 and now you want to set Super Wallpaper in your phone, so let's see how we can do this. For this, you just have to open Play Store and install an app. Just go to search and here you search for a specific app, Pika Wallpaper. You just have to search for it. Or here you can easily add it because Super Wallpaper. Just like this, just search for it, then select the app, and then you must have to install the app. And here, just wait for its installation. After installation, you must have to open the app. Just tap on open, and the app will be open. Just select agree and continue from here. And here, you just have to select or tap on cross icon in the top right corner. And here you can easily select. Here's the game wallpaper, super wallpaper, live wallpaper. You can easily select which one, and I'm going to select super wallpaper from here. And here you'll get different wallpapers. You can easily select. You just have to look for one which you want to set as your own, and I'm going to set this one, so just tap on it, then tap on it again. But if it recommend to watch an ad, you could just have to watch for it, then select apply, then select set now from here. And here you must have to enable Pika Super Wallpaper. Now go back, then select apply, then select OK, then select set wallpaper, and then select lock scene or home scene which you want. I'm going to select on both home scene and lock scene. Now just tap on OK, then go back, and you can see it has successfully set it on my lock screen or home screen. So that's how you can easily set Super Wallpaper in your Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.